Okay, so here's a video about how to maybe repair a Filastruder. So I was warming it up to use it, and then sort of had a situation upstairs that I had to go deal with. Ended up having to leave the house. Left the thing on for pretty much the whole day by accident and never turned the motor on. I get back, and now I've got all this burnt and baked ABS inside, and it's not extruding anymore. So I'm going to put these vice grips on here to hold this, and we're just going to... I let it heat up a little bit. Definitely be careful that you don't burn yourself. And we are going to take a look inside. Alright, so again, it's still hot. You want to be careful not to burn yourself. You see there's all this dried up burnt ABS in here that's just never going to extrude. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this ring out and attempt to pry some of this out of here. So I think I'm going to let this heat up a little longer and attempt to just extrude it out without the extruder on it. And so we'll come back maybe half an hour after this is heated up a bit. Okay, so if we look at the plug here, you can see I've basically already picked the ABS out of these two channels. And so you can basically just get to work on that. I'm just using this little pointed tool to just pick it out, and you should be able to get down to the brass. I think it's going to be hard to show that on the video, but you can see these top two I've managed to pick all the ABS out, and these bottom three still have quite a bit in it. And then once I had all the plastic picked out, I was actually able to use this tool to push the plug out and just pull it out. I actually thought I was going to have to drill this out, but now this is completely clear of the burnt ABS, and that's good. So the top is now all fixed up and ready to go. Okay, now this has been warming up for a while. I'm going to turn on the motor in the hopes of extruding out this burnt plug. Now, this is really hot, so be careful if you're doing this. The problem is that because I basically left the ABS in there to bake all day, which I know was a really stupid thing to do, because I left it in there to bake all day, it's now not melting anymore. So just got this big glob that's all burnt and no longer pliable. Alright, so it's still not spinning. I'm going to give it a little longer to heat up. Okay, you definitely want to be careful. I'm just going to try and pull some of this baked up and ruined ABS out of here. You can see how discolored it is from being baked all day. That this is just, you know, even this hot, it's basically as hard as a rock. You can hear it. And again, I know how stupid this was, but mistakes happen, right? This video is about fixing a mistake. So, you know, go ahead and comment about what a dumb idea this was. But that's not really useful. However, if you do have ideas about an alternative way to get this up and running, if somebody happens to do this like I did, I would love to hear that. And I'm sure that other people would too. Okay, so it's been heating up for a while. Let's see if we can't turn the motor on and get this blockage out. go. So it's extruding this melted plug. Now it's probably just going to rotate. It's probably just going to rotate for a while. Okay, and I didn't get it on film. I tried to, but I messed it up. But what I ended up having to do to get the last of the blockage out was to take the nozzle off and get it under pressure again. So more pellets going in. It pushed out the plug, which I was able to basically pull out again. And then once that was clear, it was able to start working again. So if you end up burning up the ABS like I did and sort of leaving it heating, but you never turn the motor on, hopefully this is one way that you could potentially fix that. You just got to take it apart, pull out the blockage, get it moving again, and then you should be good to go. So let me know what you think down in the comments. Not about what a stupid idea this was, but about how I attempted to fix it. And if this helps you, let me know also. Thanks.